press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, in the previous session we discussed about matter, molecules and intermolecular space, isn't it? Yes, in the world consists, our earth consists many things. See, all the things are made up of what? Matter. Matter means it's anything. So matter means it's anything. Say they have what? Some weight and it occupies some space also, isn't it? See, these are the two properties of matter. See, it occupies space and they have some weight. See, these are the two main properties of matter. Okay. See, this matter is made up of molecules. See, molecules means it's the smallest and simplest particle of a matter. Okay. See, it's a very small. We cannot see with our naked eyes. It's invisible. Okay. It's a very smallest particle. See, the molecules are invisible. Okay. See, the molecules, the matter contains millions of molecules. So, on the matter alle millions of molecules irutte. Okay. See, the distance between these molecules are called what? Intermolecular space. The space between two molecules of a same substance is called intermolecular space. Yes, my dear students, you know, matter is made up of molecules. Yes, matter is made up of molecules. Yes, right, you know, matter is made up of molecules. Yes, my dear students, in your textbook, page number 46, in page number 46, they given one activity about matter is made up of molecules. Okay, now I am going to do this activity right now. To do this activity, I need glass beaker and then glass rod and then water, and we need potassium permanganate crystal. See, this is what? Potassium permanganate crystal. See, this crystals is like a ಈಗ ದಪ್ಪ ಉಪ್ಪು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಪ್ಪ ಉಪ್ಪಿನ ಥರ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಸೊ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಕಲರ್, ಸೊ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕಿಶ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ potassium permanganate is a chemical compound. See, potassium permanganate is a chemical compound of a manganese oxide. So manganese oxide or with the manganese with the potassium hydroxide. Okay, it's a chemical compound. See, first now I am going to fill this beaker with water. Okay, first I am going to fill the beaker with water. Okay, next I am going to put crystal of potassium permanganate. So potassium permanganate crystals nagta. Now I am going to put 2 crystals. So namak tumba beda, chittige ashtu ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು ಬೇಡ, ಸ್ಪೂನು ಬೇಡ. So I am taken 2 crystal. I am going to put this crystal into this beaker, fill it with water. Okay, what happens? First, that potassium permanganate sinks and down. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು next it's get it down. What happens? See, it's started to break down. See, it started to breaking down. Okay, now I'm going to stir this water. I'm going to stir it. Okay, what happens? See, you just observe. First, it discharge color. See, it's discharge its color. So ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟರ್, ಯು ನೋ, ವಾಟರಿಗೆ ಕಲರ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಕಲರ್. ಸಿ ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಪರ್ಮಾಂಗನೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ sinks down and it's discharge water. See what happens after some time, what happens, it is totally dissolved. See, this potassium permanganate is breakdown and it's totally discharge its colors. So what happens, that water is turned into pink color and we cannot see the potassium permanganate. See why? Because see, the potassium permanganate have millions of potassium. So a potassium permanganate crystal millions of molecules irutte. See, when the millions of molecules are breaking down. So it's a breaking down, so we cannot see that molecules. Okay, see it's full ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಂಗನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಂಗನೇಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಂಗನೇಟ್ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನು ಸಣ್ಣದ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಂಗನೇಟ್, ಸೊ ಇದು ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಂಗನೇಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದೇನು ಹರಳು ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಆ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್. So because of the molecules, it's that the crystal contain millions of molecules. Okay, we cannot see that molecules because it's dissolves in that water. Okay, by this activity what we learn, see the whole matter is made up of molecules. Molecules means it's a very smallest and simplest particle. Okay, see we cannot see the molecules. Yes, now can see the molecules in this water? No, right now not. See, because all the molecules in potassium permanganate is dissolved. So ella potassium permanganate enagide dissolve agide. We cannot see this potassium permanganate because it's a breakdown and dissolves in this water. Okay, next, you know, matter is exist in 3 states, isn't it? Yes, when you see the things in your surroundings, automatically in your mind you get, see there are a solid, liquid or a gas, isn't it? So ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನಿಗೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಾಲಿಡ್, ಇದು ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. Okay, now we are going to learn about solids, properties of solids, liquids and gases. Okay, first now I am going to learn about solids. See, the solid is the states of matter, one of the state of matter. Okay, there are 3 states of matter. First one is solid. Yes, solid is, in solid molecules are very closely packed. So in solids, the molecules in solids, they are very closely packed, so they closely each other. See, for example, see these are all what? Molecules in solid. See the molecules in solids, they are very closely packed. Closely packed means it's very near to each other. Okay, see, but only in the solids. Okay, it's a properties of a solid. First one, molecules are closely packed or very each other, so it's very near. See, when we see the things, we can identify is it a solid or a liquid or gas. Okay, I am going to show cuboid. See what it is? Cuboid. See, is this a solid, liquid or gas? See, this one is a solid. We can easily identify. See, because in the molecules in these cuboids is very close to each other, means it's a very closely packed. The molecules in a cuboid is closely packed. Okay, one more example, that it is this cone. See, this cone is also solid because the molecules in this cube is very closely packed. Okay, see this duster. See, duster is also solid because, see, it's the molecules in this duster is very closely packed. Okay, one more property for this solid is, see, they have, see, because of this solids molecules in solids are very closely packed. So that's why solids are hard and rigid. solids are hard and rigid. Because why? The molecules in the solids are very closely packed, so that's why. And the solids have definite shape and occupy definite space or a definite volume, because they have the molecules are very closely packed in the where? In the solids. As solids have definite shape or volume. Okay, see, solids have definite shape and definite volume. So however, we can change the shape of solids by using what? Force. See, solids have, yes, in the solids molecules are very closely packed, so molecules ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ closely pack ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, next, see, solids have rigid and hard. See, because the molecules are very closely packed, so that's why solids are hard and rigid, and they have a definite shape or a definite volume. See, solids have a definite shape and definite volume. Okay, see, this cuboid have definite shape because it's a solid. Okay, I showed what this cone. See, cone, see, they have a what? See, this cone have definite shape is, so ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ definite shape ಇದೆ, and see, this one cone have definite volume also. And next, okay, see, this is stone. See, this stone have definite shape. Okay, so it's a definite shape and also definite volume, and they have a weight also. Okay, see, when I take this chalk piece, see, this chalk also what? Solid. See, the molecules in chalk piece are very closely packed. Okay, and they have a definite shape and definite volume also, and this one is a hard and rigid also. To change the shape of these solids by using force, I can change the shape of this solids as easily. So by using muscular force, I can change the shape of this solid. So idu long ittu, so ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, by using muscular force I change this shape of this thing, but I can change the shape of this solid. So ಈ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ಶೇಪ್ ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ. ಸಿ, ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ನಾನು ಸೂಪರ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇದು ಶೇಪ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ using simple machines we can change the shape of this solid. So simple machines-ಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, I can change the shape of this solid easily. Okay, by muscular force I can't change this shape of this cuboid. Okay, see, this duster, I can change the shape of this duster by compress. So ನಾವು compress ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರ ಶೇಪ್ನ ನಾನು just change ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, but not molecules. Okay, see, all the solids have a definite shape. See, they have a definite volume, and the solids are hard and rigid. See, these are all the properties of solids. Okay, see, the molecules are in solids very closely packed, and solids are hard and rigid, and they have a definite shape in solids. To change the shape of the solids by using what? Force. Okay, next we are going to learn about what? Water. See, the water is also states of a matter. See, it's one of the states of a matter. Okay, see, it's totally changed its color. So starting light pink ittu, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ದಿಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್. See, the liquid is a state of matter. Okay, see, in liquids the molecules are less closely packed. in liquid molecules are less closely packed, but in solids molecules are closely packed in each other, isn't it? As in the first property of a liquid is molecules are less closely packed. Okay, see in liquids they can move, see the molecules can move easily. See in molecules, so in the liquids molecules are move easily, so ee molecules enagutte easily they can move around, but in solids they cannot move because they are closely packed, but in the liquids they are loosely packed, so that's why the molecules are move easily. Okay, see, but not too much, so not but too much, but it can move easily. Because of this liquids are not hard and liquids flow easily but do not fly off as the gases. Okay, see in the liquids they are not hard, say, but the solids are hard and rigid. See the liquids are not hard and flow easily, but not like gas. So gas tara ella kade spread agalla, but it can flow. See liquids are not hard, okay, and flow easily, but solids, so solids are hard and they are rigid. Solids are rigid and hard, but liquids are not hard and flow easily. See, it's flow easily, yes or not? Yes. Okay. Yes, in liquids they have a definite volume but no definite shape. Yes. See the liquids have definite volume but no definite shape. See the molecules in liquids are loosely packed and they can move easily. Okay, so that's why liquids are not hard and flow easily. See, when we pour the water on floor, see what happens? It's easily flow. But when I put this duster on table, what happens? Alle irutte adu, it's not move, so flow agodilla, it's not flow. But the water, see water, when we pour the water on tables, it started to flow. Okay, see liquids are not hard, so it's a not hard and it's a fluid and they have no definite shape. See the liquids have no definite shape. Yes, see this duster, see this one wooden duster, see this is the example for solid. So idu yavudike example? Solid ge example. Okay, see when I put this duster into this glass beaker, what happens is this can change the shape of this duster? No, it cannot. It do not change the shape of this duster. Okay, see, you know water is example for liquid, so water liquids ge example. Okay, see when I transfer this water, so bottle aliro water na nanu beaker ge transfer madidre, what happens? It's changed its shape. So idenagutte, it's a completely cover the shape of this content. So enagutte, when I pour the water into the beaker, what happens? It's occupy the space in beaker. So a beaker irillonta space na occupy ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. But ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಹಾಗೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, it's not same shape. It's occupy the space in this beaker. So beaker na shape ge ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಬೀಕರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಬೀಕರ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬೀಕರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬೀಕರ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಬೀಕರ್ನ, ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬೀಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಆ ಶೇಪಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸನ್ನು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ liquids are easily, so molecules and liquids are easily move. Okay, and it's a very fluid, so fluid agutte, but not much, it's not spread like a gas. Okay, so now liquid in the final madidve. So liquid or yes, in the liquids the molecules are less closely packed and it's a move easily, so not like that gaseous. Okay, say example for the liquid. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಜ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, oil, petrol. See, these are all the example for liquids. Okay, see, next we are going to learn about gas. So ನಾವೀಗ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, gas and its properties. Yes, properties in gas. The molecules in gas are loosely packed. See, the properties in gas mean molecules are loosely packed. Okay, molecules in gas are loosely packed. See, but in solids are closely packed, but in the liquids are loosely packed. Okay, and it's less closely packed, but in the gas molecules are loosely packed. Water alli less close agi molecules irutte, but solids are closely packed irutte, but here is a gas in molecules are loosely packed. Okay, see, in the molecules in gas they can move easily. See, they can move freely, so it's easily free agi move agutte elli gas molecules alli. Okay, that why gases are not hard but move freely and spread everywhere. See, the gas, see, normally we cannot see, we can ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ we can identify, ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, we can see easily water, and we can see the solids also easily. ಸೊ solids ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, but we cannot see gas. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. gas means it's nothing but it's a air. See, you know, air is very essential to us, isn't it? Not to us, for all living organisms is very essential. So you know, our earth is surrounded by atmosphere. So ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ತ್ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಸರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಸರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಂದನೇ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಯು ನೋ, ಟು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಅಸ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ವಾಟ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. So you know, our atmosphere contains many different types of gases, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, isn't it? See, like, see, we also need oxygen to breathe, and plants need what? Carbon dioxide to breathe, isn't it? See, gas is very important. It's invisible, we cannot see that gas. So now air is everywhere. So gas ಅನ್ನೋದು everywhere, ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಥನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೀಲ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜೋರ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸಿದಾಗ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ we cannot see the gas. See, the molecules in the gas are freely, so it's a loosely packed. Okay, it's a loosely packed and can move freely. See, the molecules in the gas are freely move. okay, and they can move freely, okay. See, and next, gas have neither definite shape nor definite volume. See, the gases have neither definite shape nor a definite volume. Okay, as properties of gas are, gas molecules are loosely packed, and gases have neither a definite shape or nor a definite volume. See, we cannot see gas because it's a colorless and odorless, isn't it? Yes, but we can feel gas. Yes, gas have gas have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. See, solids have a hard and rigid, they have definite shape and volume, okay. See, what about the liquids? See, liquids, they have a no shape but a definite volume. What about the gas? Yes, we can fill the gas in balloon. So ನಾವೀಗ ಬಲೂನಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಅಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಬಲೂನ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬ್ಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ಬಲೂನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಈಗ ಬಲೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ಸೊ ಇದರೊಳಗಿರೋ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಫ್ರೀಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಿ ದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಲೂನ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಬಲೂನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ರೀಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಲೂನ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಬಲೂನಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಸೊ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರೊಳಗಿರೋಂಥ ಗ್ಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಕಲರ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಕಲರ್. ಸಿ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಬೀಕರ್, ಸೊ ನಾ ಈಗ ಬೀಕರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಓವರ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್. ಸಿ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಓಪನ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಟಲ್, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬಾಟಲ್ನ ಲಿಡ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೋಲ್ ರೂಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಂಟ್ನ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ನ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೀಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, see, this is the properties of gas. Okay, once again I will tell. There are three states of matter. How many states of matter are there? Three states of matter: solids, liquids and gas. Okay, as in solids, the molecules in solids are closely packed each other. Okay, there is no intermolecular space between these molecules. There is a small intermolecular space in between these solids. Okay, and example for solids, many examples are there: cuboid, cylinder, and whatever this metal scale is also example for a solid, and duster, and this board, okay, this watch. See, fan, car, see the bricks. See, these are all the example for solids. See, solids have definite shape and definite volume, okay. And next, liquids. See, in the liquids, the molecules are less closely packed. See, in the molecules or in water or a liquid are less closely packed. See, the molecules, in molecules, liquids have definite volume but no definite shape. As it's freely moves, it's easy to move, and we can transfer the water into the containers, it's occupied and it's change the shape, it's occupied the ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ನ ಶೇಪ್ನ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ಸ್: ವಾಟರ್, ಆಯಿಲ್, ಜ್ಯೂಸ್, milk. See, these are all the example for liquids. Yes, in gas, see, the gas molecules are wide apart each other and are loosely packed. The molecules in gas are loosely packed and they can move freely. So they can, molecules are free, move freely. Okay, so that's why gases are not hot but move freely and spread everywhere. So it's spread everywhere and move freely. Okay, and then gases have neither a definite shape. See, the gases are neither definite shape nor definite volume. See, these are the properties of these three states of matter. Okay, yes, my dear students, today we discussed about the properties of states of matter. Okay, yes, in the next class we are going to discuss about states of a matter are interchangeable. Okay, thank you, my dear students.